Nadu ubenai banwan unai lur ke sor shilong kan sakhi ke jingluhu ban sakhi ke nong Rwai bapau jong ka perthei kat kum ke jingpen kre ke sorkar Meghalaya unong tem DJ nari Norway u Alan Walker unwan ban penshong shit haka atpu pra tarik nai lur Hilarity Performing Center mau ke siang uwei pat unong Rwai bapau nam u Bryan Adam nagari Canada unwan ban penlungu haka shpau tarik no pra arja atpusau JN Stadium Shillong Shwaya kani kata masa cherry blossom kanong haka khat san bat khat hndre tarik nai wing arja apusau JN Stadium Polo Shwaya kani ka cherry blossom festival kanong haka khat san bat khat hndre tarik nai wing hamadan kur kalang bhoirembong kabalong teng min shamsnam kamigha kayak kanong haka shipho hadu khat ar tarik risau nang ta ka Shillong literary hanan polong kamegong festival kanong haka arpu khandai hadu laipho tarik nai wing Habaljek Airport Jengjal West Karo Hills ka Hills Festival kanong haka handriu hadu hanyo tarik no pra halum pengat umbir bat ka Winter Tales kanong haka khat ar hadu khat sau tarik no pra arja arpusau dangshan menteri katanat jengokai ke jela ubak polling do ulaong baka sorkar kan sapelat pat ba iki tarik jong kita masa kini gisngi banwan bat ulaong baka jingpen long yakum kini kita masa kanong ban kentiu ya ka kam jengokai haka jela bat kumju ban pelilat ya kisamla hakisab bakidan
launched the official calendar of Cherry Blossom 2024, highlighting the various activities and events that will take place during this year's festival. The highlight this year is that we are also collaborating with the government of Japan, and there will be a separate space allocated for the government of Japan to showcase their various activities in the various sectors where the country has been successful. Finalizing a list of events and festivals, we will take some time because these events will be some will be at the district level, some will be at the state level, and some will be at the village level, meaning respective villages where such proposals have been made. So we will be finalizing this calendar and then I will come back to you with the details once that is